morning, vlog family. Welcome to the vlog. Today is Thursday and it's a good day because I am getting my hair cut. We are going to chop off a lot of my hair, so I am getting ready. It is almost 8 a.m. Rosie and I are headed out with my mom to go get all of our hair cut. So Rosie's gonna get a little trim because it's uneven at the bottom, so I need it just to be straight. Yeah, so let's go. I am getting ready. I have our car seat, my backpack, and I'm just have to put my shoes on and get her out of bed, and then we're gonna head to go get my hair cut. I'm so excited, so let's go. Okay, so we are here in the parking lot. My mom is currently getting her hair colored, and then mid-coloring, when she's letting that sit, I'm gonna go in and get my hair cut. And then maybe Rosie, I'm gonna ask her if she can cut Rosie's hair. But guys, this is gonna happen. I'm gonna cut off quite a bit of inches. As you guys can tell, my hair is so long right now. I'm gonna show you guys a couple ideas, but I'm thinking, because my hairstylist might be like, no, Christian, you're not gonna do that. So let's see what happens. But I like this style. Like, look how short that is, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna go that short. I might go shoulder length, but I love that, and I love this look as well. So we're gonna see how it goes and what happens, but I'm honestly like, I need a fresh cut. I need a change. I've had my hair like this long for a long time. And with little Rosie right now, it is like a little harder getting ready, so I want to feel more confident in like my hair, as like I don't have as much time to do it with her at this moment. So I'm like, you know what, let's just do it right now. I think this is a good time for change. So yeah, this is where I'm at and what I'm thinking. So I will take you guys in there with me. I'm gonna do my best to film everything that I can. So let's see what happens. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I still want it long enough to put in a little like low bun, how I slick my hair back. So I mean that will happen. So that's my goal. It has to be long enough to put in a little bun, tiny bun. So we'll see. So let's go. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna get Rosie up. She's asleep in her car seat. I'm gonna change her, feed her really quick, and then head on in to the salon.
Right?
Make sure it doesn't show her face. Cutting my hair. We're not going to go as short as I thought, but we're going to cut some good inches off. So Jane will not cut it that short. Yeah. It's just so knotted. It's like,
Yeah,
oh
I
my
could say that
gosh.
because it's so dry.
Okay, it's,
Yeah.
oh,
But that's a normal.
okay.
Yeah.
She's cutting 10 inches.
More than 10 inches.
More than 10 inches? Oh. Voila, here we go. Here's my hair. Perfect length. Rosie did so good with grandma. Mom's getting hers done now.
Wash with the purple shampoo.
Rosie. No way, Rosie. Daddy's gonna want to see this. Gigi looks good! Yay!
You are done. You are done.
She needed that little. Here's my hair. So we ended up doing more like shoulder length, which I'm very happy. More like a little lower than the shoulders. Very happy with my haircut. She made it thick again and healthy. She was saying how postpartum hair is, she was like, let's just do it shoulder length, a little longer. She cut 10 inches off, and then she said, let's just do longer layers. So it looks fuller. And so yeah, I'm so happy with it. My hair is, this is the shortest I've had my hair for a long time. So I'm so happy. It feels so good, so fresh. She did Rosie's hair and she did my mom's hair, which my mom's sitting with Rosie in the back. So now we're gonna go have some lunch and eat, and then we're gonna do some errands together. But having a fresh hair, it feels so good. It makes me so happy. So cheers to fresh hair for all of us. All of us got our hair done. So now we're gonna go eat. We're hungry. Second stop of the day is our favorite little Mongolian place. Yummy yum. We're gonna get some yummy food right now. Stop number 3, H&M. And I think after this is coffee. So, yep. It's a beautiful Thursday. Stop number 4 is coffee break. We're gonna go get coffee really quick, and then I think we're gonna go to TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of those stores. And then, yeah. So, stop number 4. Store number 5, Marshall's, and then Nordstrom Rack. We are on a good one today. We are headed home now. We went to Marshall's, Carter's, and Nordstrom Rack. My mom needed to get some ties for the wedding. I got Rosie some heart pajamas, and then Marshall's, we got wrapping papers. So now we're headed home. We're gonna go relax, and I have to do some work on my laptop, and we're gonna go relax together. So next stop, home. We are home now. We're at my mom's. So I just unboxed my shoes for the wedding. I went and got some, I ordered online, Ted Baker pumps. Let me go show you. I gotta try the other one on. So I really like them. I got to like stretch them out though because they're pointed. So let me show you how cute the packaging is. It's what's on the inside that counts. That's the box. And these are the shoes. I got size 38. So these are the shoes. Let me try this one on. I want to make sure they're comfy, and I need to break them in, so I'm going to wear them right now around the house just for a bit. I'm eating my leftovers while wearing my shoes. I need to break these in, and my cutie just woke up. Okay, mommy's coming. Mama's coming. Well, I am so happy to have my hair freshly cut. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And I'm so happy because I could even do half up like this, half down. Let me look in the mirror. And I think like this would look so cute. Like it's just a freshness of my hair. I'm so happy with it. Like look how cute. You can do so many different styles and feel good about your hair. Like, I needed this. I'm so happy. Well, today was the longest day ever. It's only 5 o'clock and I feel like we've done so much today. We started the day off. Preston is at work, so let's see here. I started the day off. I woke up at 7 and then me and Rosie and my mom went to go get our hair cut. So we got to our hair appointment by 9 and then all three of us got our hair cut. Then after that we went to go eat at Magolian's. Then after that we had to go to the post office. And then after that we went to H&M and then we got coffee and then we went to Marshall's and then we went to Nordstrom Rack. My mom needs to get ties, like men ties for the wedding. And then I went to Carter's because I found a cute pajama set for Rosie for Valentine's Day. I'm like all about Valentine's Day pajamas right now, all the hearts and cute stuff. So I had to go get that. And then I saw one at Nordstrom Rack that I want to get. So I'm probably going to get tomorrow when I go back tomorrow because I have to go get shoes for Preston for the wedding. And I'm like, Nordstrom Rack is the only place that's kind of like close, or I'm going to have to go to like South Coast Plaza and all that. And I don't want to do that because tomorrow's a busy day enough. So I go to the office tomorrow and work with my sister. But yeah, so today's been a busy day and I feel like I haven't even got time to sit and write in my planner. I feel like I have not had that moment just to sit down, but I need to edit the vlog for, I need to edit my Magnolia vlog. So I've been kind of like taking a little break from like pumping videos out right now. So like a video came out on Monday, which was the pack with me. If you have not watched my pack with me, go back and watch pack with me. But the next one will be Magnolia, so I need to edit that tonight. So Preston's at work, so I'm just Rosie's with my mom right now. So I'm gonna go back in the house with my mom. She has the fire on. It is cold out, so I'm just gonna go hang out with her and edit my vlog while Rosie's there too. And then yeah, but I just kind of want to show you guys, this vlog was just basically a day in my life. And I'm going to finish my night with editing the vlog and washing clothes. I will show you my pile of clothes that I need to wash. It is crazy. So yeah, today's just been a good day, but I'm like, okay, let's wash. I need to edit my vlog. I need to make dinner, meal prep for Preston. So yeah, let's see here. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My haircuts. If you guys live in California and you're looking for hairstylists, message me and I can share with you guys the lady that I use. If you're in California, Southern California. But yeah, so let me show you the pile of clothes I need to wash, and then I need to edit my vlog. And then yeah, I'll probably end it. But thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and comment down if you guys have any questions. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for always stopping by and watching. Okay, so let me show you guys. I don't think I showed you guys my new mirror, my new vintage mirror. Thought this was really pretty in Texas and I brought it home with me. Found it at one of those antique shops. So cute, loved it. Brought it home. Okay guys, you get ready to see my pile. Voila! That is my pile from Texas. So I need to start washing this load because it is too high, piled up way too high for me, and this room needs to be clean. So yes, I'm gonna wash this load, then edit the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. Washing and editing my vlog is not much fun for you guys to see, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next vlog. My next vlog is gonna be about, I'm gonna show you guys day in the life as a bridesmaid. So that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna film at my brother's wedding. So day in my life at the bachelor party and then the wedding. So yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.